Just got this charger from Banggood today. Thought I'd do an open box review. It is the QUATTRO Q200 from SkyRC. I ordered it on October 27th. I just got it today, which is, I believe it's November 8th. So I actually started opening it, and I thought it'd be a good opportunity to do an open box review. So I put things back so you could see how it came. I did notice one thing. I'm here in the United States. I haven't talked to Banggood. If you look in the box here, it shows that it is the European plug. That is a problem for me. But I have an older Sky charger, and I realize it has a plug that I need. So I will have to contact Banggood and find out if they'll give me a replacement. So let's do the open box review. Okay, you have the manual, which I'm not going to get into right now. And there is the incorrect plug. I'll put that over here. And over here, this is from another SkyRC, has the correct plug. So I'll be using this one temporarily till they give me a new one. And there's a bunch of plugs over here, a bunch of stuff, accessories. I got the XT60 has a plug on there. There are 4 of those. 4 of those. And you get 2 that just have bare wires that you can customize and do your own thing. And it comes with 4 balance plugs. But now the actual charger itself is actually pretty heavy. Sorry about the camera. All I have is my GoPro. Not too shabby. Looks pretty good. Anyway, that's your open box review. This is what comes with it. This is everything that it should come with. Stay tuned. I'm going to set it up and see about charging 4 batteries and show you how the app works. Okay, I'm going to charge some batteries for you. So I thought I'd set it up. Just give you a quick look. These are all what came with it. This did not. This was my own. I'm going to charge a 2-cell and a smaller 3-cell that has the JST. So that's all I had. But these are the balance plugs that came with it. And these are the plugs, XT60s that came with it. So I'll fire it up. So I got them hooked up, as you can see. And looks good. So let's get started on the first one. Battery, 2200 3-cell. It's already set A as to. I want to set it to 2.2 amps since it's 2200. Set it to 3-cell. Hold it, push to confirm, and it's going. Now how about B? B is a 2250 3-cell. Switch down to B. It's a balance. I'll just do it at 2.2 also. 3 cell, hold it. Press to confirm. We're off and running. Now C. This is a 500 3 cell also. Let's go way down. 500 3 cell. This last one is a 500 2 cell. Oh. We're going. You guys can see everything, hopefully. I know it's not the best camera, but just wanted to get something out there so everyone could see what it was like. The only other thing I wanted to show you was the app. As it's charging, you can check and modify, do whatever you want. There's A, shows it's going. Shows how many milliamps it's putting in. Shows how many cells. How long it's been charging, the temp. You can switch between B, C, and D. You can also stop them. So I stop it there. We go over here. D is stopped. So if I go to C, hit stop. Oh, sorry, didn't wait. Hit stop. C is stopped. It's pretty slick. Actually, I can even start it back up again. Yeah, I need more practice at this. C was 3 cells. Do that at 0.5. It's checking. It started. You look back here. C is started back up again. I don't know. Anyway, guys, I hope this helped. I know this is probably one of the first reviews here in the States. I haven't seen it at least on YouTube yet. I know this is pretty crude. I don't do this very often. I just thought it'd be kind of cool to show off the new Q200. Let me know what you think.